Hello everyone, how are you doing today? I hope you're doing fine and enjoying at your home. So welcome back to Learn Forward from Hi Kids Feather Cap, and I'm back with another topic, and our today's topic is about my body parts. So it's about our body parts, this is called our body, and we will learn about our body parts. So you must be thinking, what I'm doing with this little baby doll. So I will tell you about its body parts by looking at this doll. Okay, we will study with this doll today. Are you all ready? Okay, now this doll is also ready. Now let's start our today's class. Okay, so this is the picture of a boy, and these are some body parts written here. One by one I will tell you all the body parts. First is our head. Our head. Everyone touch your head. Now I will show you baby's head. Do you want to see the baby's head? Let me show you. Yes, this is the head of the baby, and this is your head. Come on everyone, touch your head fast. Yes, very good. Now, next is eyes. Next is eyes. This is baby's eye. Can you see? Yes. Everyone touch your eyes like this and blink it. Okay. Next is your nose. Next is your nose. You all can touch it, and this is baby's nose. Okay. Next is your lips. Next is your lips. Like this. These are your lips. And these are baby's lips. Okay. Next is your ears. Show me your ears, everyone. Yes, these are your ears. And these are baby's ear. Can you see them? Yes, these are baby's ears. Okay. Next is your teeth. Show me your teeth. This is our teeth. Okay. It's a white in color. Teeth are white in color. But we cannot see baby's teeth. But you can see your teeth. Come on everyone. Show me your teeth. Yes, like that. Next is your neck. This is our neck. Okay. This is baby's neck and this is our neck. Okay. Next is shoulders. These are shoulders. Okay. These are shoulders. Next is hands. Next are hands. These are our hands and these are baby's hands. Can you see? Okay. Next is the chest. This part is called chest. This part is called chest. Okay. Now next is our fingers. See, these are little tiny baby's fingers. These are called fingers. Okay. Next is the waist. Next is the waist. Waist is this part. Waist is this part. This is called a waist. Next is thumb. Show me your thumb, everyone. Yes, this is our thumb. These are fingers. This is thumb. Okay, we have 2 thumbs and 8 fingers. Okay, 2 thumbs, 8 fingers. Now next is stomach. Stomach is this. Whenever we eat something, वो कहाँ जाता है? हमारे टमी में, हमारे स्टमक में. ठीक है? Baby drinks milk. Baby only drinks milk, and milk also goes in the stomach. Okay? Next is knee. Next is knee. Knee is this part जहाँ से हमारा leg bend होती है. This is called knee. Okay? Next is the legs. Next is legs. This is called legs. We have 2 legs, right? And through legs we can walk. हम leg से walk करते हैं ना? This is legs. Okay? Next is the toe. Next is the toe. This is called toe. Okay. This is our toe. Okay. Now we have to sing one rhyme, and you all have to sing this rhyme with me. Are you all ready? So let's start. Two little hands to clap, clap, clap. Through hands we clap, right? Two little hands to clap, clap, clap. Two little feet to tap, tap, tap. And feet से हम क्या करते हैं? Tap, tap करते हैं. Okay? Two little feet to tap, tap, tap. Two little eyes to blink, blink, blink. Two little ears to hear, hear, hear. हम ears से क्या करते हैं? सुनते हैं, hear करते हैं. Okay? Then two little lips to sing, sing, sing. And see, हम singing कहाँ से कर रहे हैं? Lip से कर रहे हैं. Okay? So two little lips to sing, sing, sing. One little waist to shake, shake, shake. And waist is this. Waist से हम shake करते हैं like this. Okay? चलिए. Now eyes से हम see करते हैं. Nose से हम smell करते हैं. Ears से हम hear करते हैं, सुनते हैं. Okay? And lips से हम sing करते हैं. Okay? And fingers से हम write करते हैं और clap भी कर सकते हैं. ठीक है? Leg से हम क्या करते हैं? We can tap tap and we can also walk. हम walk भी कर सकते हैं. Okay? So these are some body functions. हमारे body parts के उनके functions भी होते हैं. Okay? So please learn all these body parts and their uses. Our each body part is very, very useful for us. ठीक है? And we should also keep our body clean. We should take bath daily. हमको daily नहाना चाहिए और अपनी body को neat and clean रखना चाहिए. Okay? चलिए, very good. Now there is one activity for you all. चलिए, let's do this activity now. Draw a line from each part of the body to its place in the picture. Now, this is the boy's picture and ये उसके body parts हैं. So we have to match each body parts to its right place. Let's start this activity now. First one is the head. First one is the head. So we will match this part with the head like this. Okay? Head कहाँ होता है? Over here. Next is the eyes. There are two eyes. One is here and one is here. So we will match the eyes like this. Eyes कहाँ होती है? Over here. Next are the ears. These are two ears. One and two. We all have two ears, right? So we will draw a line here and one is here like this. Very good. Next is your nose. We only have one nose. Okay? We don't have two noses. We only have one nose. So we'll match the nose over here. Next is the mouth. Next is the mouth. Mouth is here. Mouth कहाँ होता है? Nose के नीचे होता है. Okay? Next is our hands. Next is our hands. Hands is here. And we have two hands. One and two. We all have two hands. किसी के पास three hands भी होते हैं क्या? No. Human beings only have two hands. Okay? Now, and the last one is legs. Last one are the legs. Again, we only have two legs. One and two. Okay? So I'll match it here. Match the legs over here and it's done. So we have matched all the body parts to its right place. Very good. Now those who have not done, they will take the help of their mother and complete this page. Now I will see you in the next video, but you will all practice all these body parts name and learn their uses. I will see you in the next class. Till then, happy learning. Bye bye. Take care.